Hello and welcome back to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the reality of modern society. I'm Loveleen.
And I'm Shivangi. Through this podcast, we're going to reach out to the privileged
You already know you are because you have access to this podcast.
and teach them the 101s of how to not be a privileged prick.
In this episode, which is going to be the 5th episode of the Privilege Take series, we will be again doing a Disney marathon, but with Disney original or Disney live action movies. So
Yeah, and I know I said I hated. Yeah. I know I said I hated animation, but my feelings for Disney, like non-animation, I think stands. Yeah, I think that's all the review I'm going to give about my opinions for this
We've
episode.
again taken 3 movies to to represent all Disney animated, non-animated, live action, original, whatever you want to call it, movies. And we've taken Mulan 2020 live action. We've taken Princess Diaries 1. I don't know the years. And we have taken Khoobsurat, which is a Bollywood Disney movie.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
We just love Sonam Kapoor in case you haven't figured that out. So we probably do one Sonam Kapoor. We should do one Sonam Kapoor marathon, like one privileged take on just the problems in Sonam Kapoor movies.
I think we should do like something like problems with Sonam Kapoor. Because her movies are not separate from her own life.
Yeah, just so dumb. I'm sorry. Yeah, but anyways, I'm sorry. I
think Khoobsurat is the movie where she was like, after which she was being called like the Bollywood diva, wearing quirky clothes and all of that. I think
Aisha didn't do that. Aisha didn't establish that.
No, but I think
thing already.
Yeah, but Aisha established her as like the fashionista, Papa Ki Pari girl. Yeah, she was the diva,
right?
Huh? No.
That's a diva.
No, that's fashionista.
A diva is like same.
Okay.
Anybody who's like Bebo is a diva, right?
Yeah,
Kareena Kapoor is a complete diva. So like
no, Bebo could be like fashionista, but Pooh could be a diva.
You know what, Sarah? Okay, I'm really sorry for this. I watched too much Coffee with Karan, but Sarah Ali Khan says that Bebo and Pooh are almost the same like personality apparently. Like exactly. Apparently,
that's a whole different genre. That's a whole different breed. Like
but
let's
Anyways, talking about not Bebo and Disney. I mean, like, what were like your initial thoughts, like your overall thing about this?
Overall take about watching all of this was I don't want to watch Princess Diaries again. That was my starting idea. I was like, I don't want to watch this again. It was like I've watched this way too many times.
I know.
And after that, I got bored through Mulan. I started it and it was playing in the background. And I was like, I can't do this. I know it sounds so bad because it's like Disney movies. I watched Khoobsurat full-heartedly. It's so weird that out of everything, I least expected myself to enjoy Khoobsurat. Maybe it's because like it's like my first whole viewing or something. I don't know. But like Mulan also was my full viewing. But Khoobsurat, I was like, ठीक है मजा आ रहा है देख लेते हैं
I have so much to say about Khoobsurat, like only good things, nothing bad.
But otherwise Mulan I was so bored. I left it halfway through. I just got distracted. I was working, I got distracted and I was like can't do this. It's not long. I think it was 1 hour 30 minutes ish, right?
No, it's like a 2-hour movie.
I don't know what you have watched. I don't know what I have watched then.
I honestly like I only paid attention, कब तक पहले attention pay किया, I'll tell you for Mulan. When that hot guy and this girl have like they're on the line, you know, and they have like that knife going on.
You know till where I paid attention. It's like the first 20 minutes where he's stealing
that is when this happens. The hot guy and they
then it's the first 10 minutes. Probably. Because it's the place where those two guys are stealing stealing the chicken, and then Mulan goes and enters herself into the military. She's standing in the line.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. When she's standing in the line, she has a brief encounter with this really hot guy. Like knife हो जाता है, मतलब sword fight होता है.
See,
Brief
I
sword
see
fight.
zero attention. मतलब attention
Yeah,
span
see,
gold
it
से भी
happened
कम है.
there only when you lost. I literally lost attention like
Yeah,
10
I think
seconds after you
yeah,
lost attention.
yeah,
That's what has happened.
yeah. How are we going to do this with?
But that was the part I was like,
Yeah.
oh my god, finally something worth watching Mulan. And then I realized this guy has like barely any screen time, barely any dialogues. I was like, fuck off. Not watching
Yeah.
it.
I don't even remember the character names. Huh?
I know his name, but also like it's Chinese, right? I might like screw it up because like I'm not sure about like the spelling. So I'm like not even
Yeah.
gonna try to pronounce it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's very boring. And the actress is also very problematic.
Yeah. I don't like it at all. I think I don't like Mulan, man. The animation it still looks interesting to look at, right? It's at least aesthetically pleasing, if nothing else.
Never watched it.
But like you must have watched, like you must have seen posters or like edits of it, right? Memes तो
She
देखे
looks like
होगे ना मुलान के.
she looks like the
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas. Yeah.
वही है ना उसका नाम.
हाँ,
Colors
जो
of the
भी है
Wind
उसका नाम.
वाली.
हाँ, वही उसकी तरह ही लग रही है वो पोस्टर में. So like I
Okay,
didn't
wait,
find
that's
any
a very
originality.
problematic statement because she's Native American and this one's
I
Chinese.
know, but the animation looks literally the
Actually,
same.
like I think that Disney was like copy paste करता है छोटे आँखें and like let's
Yeah.
just change the skin tone. I think that's
Yeah.
what Disney animators did.
Bro,
I
if
think
you
Disney
really think
animators
about
didn't
it.
care. But
Yeah.
but it's really funny how we feel like they didn't care because if you see Snow White was drawn frame by frame. Every single frame was drawn. I think it was hand drawn. And then they had to animate it and all of that. And like if you pause it at any moment, it doesn't feel like a still. It feels like a motion in place. So imagine the efforts gone into that. Snow White animation, like the original, that's what I'm talking
Snow
about.
White isn't even like that. You know,
Yeah,
I don't
like
suddenly hate Disney movies, but like
yeah,
it's really not worth it. Like
yeah.
and also I don't know, like I've never watched animation, so I'm not sure whether like this because I read the story was like it tweaked a little in the live action. They removed like a few things from the animation and
For
added something
Snow
else.
White.
No, for Mulan.
Mulan. Yeah, definitely. इन लोग ने मतलब
They did that,
क्या
right? So
बकवास
I'm
कर
not
दिया है.
sure. I'm not sure what I would like more, but I really didn't like the story plot they had for Mulan. Like, I understand it was so boring. Like, how can you just spend one movie, like half of the movie, about an army, like her just fighting a battle? Like, like you know, there are some movies who do like battle movies really well, like which is like your Padmavat, which is like your Ram Leela, and like your
I
every
was
Sanjay Leela
thinking of
Bhansali.
I was thinking of things like Dunkirk and all of that. But you go to Padmavat, of course. Because like you said battle movie. So I was like, yeah, that makes sense. Which is like
Oh, see, if you want me to sound intellectual, 300, that's like the best I can do in battle movies. But even 300 is interesting. Like,
yeah.
it's like a half a battle, but it's still better than this Mulan thing. Honestly, like, Mulan doesn't have music also, right? I know I said I hate music in Disney movies,
Yeah.
but I really felt the absence in
Yeah,
Mulan
see the thing is
so much.
it's very simple. Either you give us content or you give us something to look at, right? Or give us something
You
to
do
be engaged
realize
with.
that people are going to see the change in filters.
Yeah,
Because
man,
this is
but
a
like
video
halfway
episode.
through, I know, but halfway through, I was like, I don't like how my face looks.
You
So
know,
let's
you could just wait before we like talk about the Princess Diaries. You could just do it then.
no, but I
It wouldn't look
still do
awkward
it
then.
now.
Now
But
wait,
now
now
it's
since we've
done.
already done, let me also do it.
You look like a Cheeto.
Yeah, I think I look better without the filter. Let me remove it.
Yeah. I don't know, today the lighting and everything is just not.
Yeah.
Without filter is much better for this episode.
Yeah.
Okay.
People like
Coming back to Mulan.
No, coming back to Princess Diary now.
No, I still have things to say about Mulan, na?
So are we doing Mulan first?
Yeah, because we're already talking about Mulan.
Okay, fine. Let's do
It makes
Mulan. So
more
coming,
sense, right?
yeah, I don't know why I started talking about Mulan, but yes, let's talk about
Yeah.
Mulan.
So, um, I think it goes without saying that animated Mulan was much better than live action. I think one major thing that they tweaked, at least till where I watched it and I had my attention to the movie, was that Mulan actually writes a letter and goes to the army and all of that, which logically didn't make sense to me because if her parents found out that hey, our daughter's going into the army, why did they like not decide that hey, there's something that needs to be done about this? Like, what was going on? Like, I always
Little
thought,
expectations.
yeah, I always thought that they didn't know that she's gone off into the army, right? Or no, that they knew she's gone off into the army, but like it was like a decision that they had to make that okay, Mulan is like, I can't send my father and I can't send my little brother, so I'm going to do this. I thought there was a whole conversation, but no, this was like चिट्ठी दे दिया, and I was like, wait, इसकी तो शादी होने वाली थी ना, ये क्या हो रहा है इधर? So weird.
I think like it's also, yeah, it's really, I think the expectations she must have from her parents are like so less. She's like, even if I tell them where I'm going, I damn well know these people are not going to chase after me or something. Like, being a
Yeah,
parent, we could like, because this is like how it's interpreted. Like, why would she like tell where she's going? Just leave the house and just like,
yeah,
just like tell that you are leaving the house because you don't want to get married or something. Like, don't, that's a
right.
classic excuse you could pull.
Right, like
But this
she could
woman
have
just
given
like,
any excuse and it would
yeah,
be justified for them to not look after her. But she's saying, I'm going to the army, and the parents are
yeah,
like, ठीक है,
yeah.
चलो देखते हैं.
If there were like those postmen or something in that era or something, I'm pretty sure she would have like had a daily diary entry that she would like send to them. Ki, hey, today I killed this person. Hey, today I had like night duty and everything. Because like this woman is so transparent. Like you're committing something that your parents are going to hate. Why are you telling them what they're going to hate?
So weird, man. It
It's a
was
weird thing.
just weird. Moreover, in the animated uh, version of Mulan, Mulan wasn't so physically developed. No, wait, that sounds wrong. Like, she wasn't so. She wasn't
This is
strong and
couch
she
or
wasn't.
something.
Huh?
I was like, what is it? Is it a casting couch or something? What are you talking about? Not physically.
Yeah, no.
Mulan isn't here.
She
But yeah.
wasn't as strong and she wasn't as brave and all of that they showed in the
Yeah.
non live action. Okay, so she was like supposed to. She had a hard time in the army for a long while. After which she like learned things in the army. So you could see like a character arc. I keep coming back. Like she
Yeah.
goes from nothing to like, oh my god, a great warrior, right? But is Mulan mein to like live action mein she was born with physical
तो
ability. She was born with that strength. She was
ये
born
तो
with that
मतलब
mind.
रोहित शेट्टी के लिए जन्म ली थी मैं बोल रही हूँ like ये जो मुलान थी
Yeah,
सच में
exactly. But that makes sense, right? And there's so much of third wave
yes
feminism over here because she's like, Mulan can because women can, and all of those dialogues, which don't make sense. I mean, यार तुम कौन से जमाने के चाइना की बात कर रहे हो? And you know, I they even use the "I believe in all women" with the male lead saying "I believe in Mulan" and all of that bakwas. And I was just like,
fine
wait, what are these like 2020 references? Like time, matlab time periods to dekho na tum. I know you're releasing it at such a time, but I mean, come on, like 4 white screenwriters. What more can you expect?
honestly the thing you pointed about like Mulan not having like a character arc or growth that right like she just goes from great to like great like that's
Yeah,
completely linear I feel doesn't that and like you know Disney used that to show that feminism is powerful and everything women are equal to men or whatever. Like whatever was the message. Don't you think it circles back to the entire idea that we spoke about, like in glorification of entrepreneurship as well? That people only look at like the end result of
Yeah.
like entrepreneurship as well, which is like a success
One
and
second.
everything. And
1 second.
yeah,
I just dropped like my earphones, so I can't hear what you're saying.
which
Okay.
is which is like your success, which is like your end product and everything, and they don't really focus on like how hard it gets to like reach there. I think this like again like ties into that. I mean, they've done like the
Right.
same thing.
Right.
And another thing
Exactly.
that really pissed me off about Milan was that I had a really huge problem with their voice actors and like the because if you look very like if you hear like very closely, there are certain you can't hear me.
No, no, no. I didn't hear it closely. I'm just saying that I
I'm sorry.
didn't do that.
Well, except for Lovely, people who like heard like the characters like carefully and everything, would notice that all of these characters who would fall on like the like older age spectrum, they had this certain oriental or should I rather say regional accent when they would speak in English. But then like the younger people like Mulan and like her sister would have a completely American accent when they would speak in English.
Hmm.
And I don't know if this is because of the characters, I'm sorry, because of the voice actors or something, or whether it was done intentionally to show the distinction between, uh, you know, first generation immigrants, like to sort of like provide a parallel thing to immigrant society in America. Like first gen would
But
be
they
like
aren't in
Mulan's
America,
parents.
right?
I know, but I think that's I don't know what it is, and I would like to give Disney the you
Benefit of
know
doubt for this.
yeah,
But
I would like to give them the benefit of the doubt because this is a very poor decision that I really do not know how it just passed
yeah,
production because it's it's so racist. First of all, like if you're going to make every character speak in English, then just give every one of them like a normal accent. If you're not comfortable with English, if you
yeah.
want a little of like a Chinese thing, whatever the hell like Disney was looking out for, then you can just like produce the
I
film
think
in Chinese and
I
add
think
songs. Like I think it would be so much more better if I had like like authentic. I was hearing like authentic Chinese.
yeah.
No, it's not even. Wait, I'm so dumb. I'm so sorry, listeners. They don't speak Chinese. They speak Mandarin. I'm so sorry. If I had like authentic Mandarin to like hear, it would be so much better. I feel like the movie and everything.
Hmm. I forgot what was the first point you made, and I had something to say in terms of that. But
Entrepreneurship, how people
yeah,
glorify it is
yeah.
exactly how people
Hmm,
glorify
hmm,
feminism.
hmm, hmm, hmm. Yeah. Coming to that, I just feel like the original animated version of Mulan had her actually work up to it, right? You
Uh,
could see that it's not inherent in you. Like for example, a young girl is watching this and she feels like, yes, it's not inherently in me, but if I want to, I can be that. I can be
it's
a warrior
possible, like
princess. Yeah,
someday.
it's possible
Yeah,
for me. It's like an inspirational story. But यहाँ पे तो
yeah.
बोल रहा है वो पैदा ही वैसे हुई थी. So then it doesn't become like an inspirational story, right? If I'm just
Yeah,
talking in terms of a naive young child watching it and trying to look up to them, because you already know that young children are looking up to characters they see on television, they see through
yeah,
movies, they do look up to them. So like I feel like, at least for me, it feels like a sort of some amount of moral responsibility towards that as well, because you know who you're
definitely.
catering to, right? It's not like तुम्हें पता नहीं है वो देखने वाला है नहीं देखना. You know that's your target audience. So it would be better if they would frame it that way, that it caters to them and it's like it gives them some sort of value. ये क्या हुआ, वो अच्छी थी वो और अच्छी बन गई. It doesn't make sense to me. It's like A तो मिल ही रहा था, A+ मिल गया, चलो.
Yeah,
It's
I feel
yeah.
it's yeah. I think it's really poor, no growth at
Right.
all.
And the second thing that you said about the accents, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, you spoke about the
I
accents. I
think
forgot what I had to say about
I'm
that.
joking. I did say something about accents. Yeah,
I forgot what I had to say about it, so like, never mind. I was just
Should I
thinking that
repeat my point?
no, I remember like you made some points about accents and all of that, but I forgot what I had to say in terms of that. Hmm. Yeah, I was
Hit
saying
it
that
again.
they haven't even built the characters well, like in general. Like forget accents and all the दूर की बात होती है, right? The the
उनकी बात होती है
characters.
वही तो सुन रहे हैं.
Yeah, but still, like those are more nitty-gritty things. The first thing is plot है, character है, अच्छे लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है, वो तो देखा करो. That's not done as well because I genuinely feel like the animated version had each and every character. You could distinguish them. I know this is a very racist thing to say, but like animated, where you could distinguish each character and they had good personality traits, and you could understand one character from the other. यहाँ पे वो नहीं हो रहा है. So that was one of the
Like the
things.
only
And
thing you know about the sister is that she hates spiders. Like that's
yeah,
all
I
I
mean,
need to know
how,
about her personality.
yeah, how is that adding to anything? I don't understand.
I think you know what they really poorly did was
एक
I
मिनट
just
मैं
a very
वापस
small
भूल
point.
जाऊंगी मैं.
You just put it in the comments because it's not going to make sense if I say it later.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I just had a very small thing to say that I think what they basically did was they had Mulan ka character, and then what they did was like they just wanted to show Mulan's character traits, and then they just like gave like those either opposing traits or like you know similar traits to like different people around her just to you know
Yeah,
like make Mulan like seem better. But it really
doesn't
paired
work.
really
Like
poorly to like others.
Even Bollywood movies give better character traits to their
Yeah.
side
Honestly,
role,
I think
side
they
actors.
do.
Yeah, like
Bollywood has good characterization and
right.
good
Yeah,
screenplays.
like even if it
In
is
a lot.
just this is the best friend who's funny, that
Yeah,
best friend will ensure that throughout the movie they are funny. Their job is to be funny. They have
yeah,
nothing else to do. But वो बीच में एक दो ताने jokes मार कर they will be funny. So you can distinguish them. You know why they are there. You know they're here for
yeah,
humor purpose. You know
yeah.
it and you'll expect that. Nothing like that in this movie. It was so dark. एक तो
Spider.
इतना gloomy है. क्या करूँ मैं? कुछ नहीं अच्छा लग रहा
So
था.
boring, man. It's so
Yeah,
boring. It's like
I feel like
pathetic.
I genuinely feel like when taking into account movies that are based in anywhere around the world other than America, what Disney does, or Europe, like let's give them Europe, you know, all these white countries.
Yeah,
What Disney does is they'll take all of these people and representation के नाम पे they like splatter थोड़े चीज. So they're like, okay, Oriental accent. So we'll like give the old people that बाकी American accent चल जाएगा. Okay, let's make one person wear some regional dress. बाकी तुम टी-शर्ट पहन लो चल जाएगा. Let
हाँ
you
जी.
one person eat roti. बाकी लोग तुम order करो
Hamburger
McDonald's चल
खाओ.
जाएगा.
हाँ जी.
It's that. It's essentially that. They take one thing. It's like वो बच्चे का one track mind होता है ना. इसी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करना है. This is
हाँ.
one person. So they're like इसी पर ध्यान देंगे बाकी सब चल जाएगा.
It's like you know, decide that one way of making Maggie works best, and then
Yeah.
you just stick to it because you don't want to ruin that taste, and
Yeah,
also don't want like
but see the overall experience of that particular Maggie feels great, right?
yeah,
This
yeah,
it's like they made biryani but forgot the chicken in it.
exactly. They keep forgetting that their version of Maggie nobody likes.
Yeah,
That's the entire thing. They're making it for themselves.
right. It's like no, you know what their Maggie is? It's very American Maggie because they forgot the magic
Yeah.
masala.
Yeah,
They put
you know,
pani,
yeah,
they put the Maggie, and they forgot the masala. That's why
yeah,
people with regional taste don't like it because that is
exactly.
authentic to them, right?
That's the
It's
thing, right?
essentially that. That's what they do in real life also. They eat Maggie without the masala. What? That's just psychopathic. That's sociopathic. That's bakwas. But that's what they do in the movies also. They forget the
Fun fact,
masala.
Lavina, I used to love Maggie without masala when I was in 4th grade. I love boiled Maggie so much. It actually tastes good. You should try it. It doesn't taste bad at all.
What are
See,
you
I have a
talking
very
about?
I'm not kidding. I used to love it so much. Not
Isn't
kidding.
it like bland and like too much salt?
It's beautiful. It doesn't like taste bland at all. So like when I would have my fever and everything, I couldn't eat like boiled roti and all of that. Like I would literally just not eat it if
What's
my mother
boiled
would give me
roti?
help. Do you not know what boiled roti? Okay, so like when we would get like I would get fever as a child. So you know how others get porridge and everything. So
Yeah.
my house, what because I am choosy, I don't eat porridge. I am not a boss lady. I don't do all of that. So my mother was like, my mama would tell me that you basically boil the atta that you have like you know
The dough, yeah.
yeah, you boil the dough and after that you cook like ekdam chota atta with it. It's completely soft and it digests also very easily. So like when you have a fever, give like a roti with boiled from made from boiled atta. It's like very good. So but yeah, but I didn't like that. I don't know why I'm complimenting it right now. I didn't like it. So my mother would like give me boiled Maggie because that was the only thing I would eat while I had a fever. Like an idiot, I would eat unhealthy shit. Okay. So yeah,
No,
it
it's
tastes
okay.
nice.
I
You should
think
try
we
it.
all do something crazy when we are sick. Like I had this thing that my doctor's clinic
I
was
don't need
very,
to be sick to do crazy things.
yeah,
Please do not
yeah,
put me in the
yeah.
same
But like you,
stable
everybody
category
has
as
this,
you.
but everything has this one quirk, like one quirky thing that's not normal for sick people to do. They
Yeah.
do that. So like for me, it
Yeah.
was my doc. I know you didn't ask this, but I'm going to share it. My doctor's clinic was really close to a McDonald's.
No,
Why?
no, please, please. I was just joking around because like you presented the opportunity. You were like you didn't ask for it. I was like, yeah, I didn't ask for it.
Shut up.
Please go on.
Yeah, my doctor's clinic was very close to a McDonald's. Right? Shut
Yeah.
up. Like your hands need to be in the air right now. Do not. And I was like, so if we have a McDonald's around, we eat from a McDonald's, right? Like I'm sick, I would have fever, I would have what I would be vomiting, and my parents have like rushed me to the
Same.
doctor's clinic. But I'm like, nahi, मैं खाऊंगी तो McDonald's ही खाऊंगी. It was so
I don't know
weird.
what it was. Dude, I would get like vertigo attacks and I had B12 and D like come.
Yeah.
And it's like terrible. I haven't left my bed in like 12 hours because I don't have the energy to get up. And the first thing I do after getting up is make Maggie and eat that. And my mother's like, are you kidding me? That's the thing that's causing all of this. Why are you eating it? I'm like,
Yeah,
it's just
exactly.
tasty,
Like
yaar.
imagine, like मेरा stomach upset तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता था, and my doctor was like, you can't eat junk food at all. And you know
Yeah.
this, like for the longest period in my life, I've not been eating junk food or like बाहर का खाना at all.
Yeah,
And
you
since
yelled at me so much. You were like about to kill me once just because I ordered like some extra spicy thing for you in the canteen. You were just like, मेरा pancreas खराब हो जाएगा. I was like, okay. ठीक है भाई. I was like, just like, if he can do it, he can give it to somebody else. And you were like having a whole meltdown about it. I was like, okay.
I don't
Yeah,
remember this, but it's very possible
I
that I
remember
did.
this bit. Yeah, I remember this because I was like so weirded out. I was like, it's okay, you can just give it to somebody else. And you were like, no, ऐसे ही होता है. Just
Yeah, that's
so
very
weird. Yeah,
possible.
I remember.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
for the longest time I didn't do all of that, but like I'm like मेरा पेट खराब है, but I will eat from a McDonald's because why
Yeah.
not? It's around.
Yeah.
ये McDonald's है रास्ते
Exactly.
पे मुझे दिख रहा है तो I need to go over there and eat McDonald's.
Like imagine Loveleen just coming back from the bathroom completely dehydrated after pooping
Yeah.
so much, just looking outside a window and like, oh my god, McDonald's.
McDonald's, yeah. Yeah.
What thought
it is.
process did we have as a child? It's so dumb. We really didn't care about living at all. We were just like, junk food.
Yeah.
Just
And it's
want
also
that.
so weird that our parents let us do all of that.
Yeah. My parents just gave up. They were like, I can't do whatever you want.
Right. They're like, मैं पार्लर तक लेकर जा रहा हूँ तेरे को,
Yeah.
just for the doctor, but no, you are going to cry about McDonald's.
Exactly. Imagine making boiled atta ka roti. Imagine putting the effort to boil atta and then telling your child eat Maggi, boiled Maggi. Embarrassed. It was so pathetic.
Pathetic, man. We were so crazy. Anyway,
Yeah.
anything else about Mulan? Because I can't remember anything. Oh yes, I read this somewhere. I didn't make this observation because I'm not that attention span of a
Not
goldfish. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, and I don't know much about like Chinese locations or the culture as much as I should.
Oh, I know what you mean. Is this about the Muslims?
No,
That sounds so pathetic. Oh,
no,
it's not about the Muslims.
no.
Oh, I have something as well. But tum
Okay,
pehle
I
baat
will.
karo.
Yeah. So apparently, when you see Mulan's house, and the structure of it is very southern China structure. It's called something that I forgot, but it's like a very South China structure. It's very specific, and like somebody who really knows about this noted it. And but Mulan is supposedly set in northern China, so people wouldn't be like crossing north and southern China in that era as frequently, or like at all, because they were at war, so they wouldn't be crossing it, right? So yeah, that's something that
Disney,
Disney missed. Disney was just like, no, it's out, chalo, Korea भी एक ही होता
yeah,
है, चल जातेगा.
such a white people thing, man. Like I love
Shivangi,
Disney
the
has from
director, is white.
1959.
The
Yeah,
director is white. The screenwriters are white. The costume designer is white. And before I forget this, apparently Disney took a training in China to understand about Chinese culture and Chinese fashion instead of just hiring a Chinese stylist. Yeah,
also
I'm
I'm very confused. Like,
not
how are they going to learn authentic Chinese culture while being white?
like just because you're white, you're at a disadvantage already. Already.
Definitely, bro. You guys eat what? Avocado? That's like the spiciest thing you guys eat in a day.
I think no, pepper is the spiciest thing really, like pepper powder on something. That's the
Yeah,
spiciest they go. But
swear to God.
yeah, but like really, I don't understand. They're just so white. I feel like all the junk food like makes a layer of fat around their brain, so like they cannot absorb anything that's not
Definitely.
white. They're just
Yeah,
like America. America is great. Let's do this. Let's do it the
they
white
don't
way.
have like the healthcare system to be better. They're just like it's just fattening up their brain, and they're
Yeah,
so it's so impossible for them to get care. They're just like घर बैठे मेरा दिमाग फट रहा है. So now I'm going to write like a shitty screenplay
yeah.
based on like an Oriental tribe,
Exactly. It's
but
so
I'm going to do it
offensive.
because
It's so offensive because Mulan was like revolutionary, okay? She wasn't singing and she wasn't, of course, there were like
yeah,
iconic music numbers in animated Mulan, but that wasn't her personality that she's just singing for a guy and hoping somebody will fall in the river and look at her and everything's going to be all right. She wasn't doing that.
yeah,
She didn't exchange her voice for legs. Okay, she didn't do all of those
yeah.
dumb things. She was smart. She was a warrior princess. She gave up a lot of things. She almost sacrificed her life. She put her life at risk for her family, for her father, for her brother, for her family. She wanted to take care of her family. She wanted responsibility. And then what you do is turn it into a movie nobody wants to watch. It was just a money making business. Again, something I read, because again I'm confused and I didn't experiment with all this. I just looked up for a free version of Mulan to look at, to watch. So what
Yeah,
Disney
same.
did, yeah, what Disney did was they were prolonging the release of Mulan for quite a long time. They were like, COVID aa gaya hai, we need it in theaters and all of that. They prolonged it, and then they released it on Disney Plus. Of course, khud ka hi hai. They of course release it on Disney Plus. That's not even the problem I have with it. They charged a pay-per-view or a rent-free over the subscription to watch Mulan.
Wait, so like people were already paying, need to pay
Yeah,
again.
yeah. So they're already paying a subscription for Disney Plus.
इस खुशी में this movie is not even good.
Yeah,
से बात कर रहे हो
exactly.
जैसे कि
Exactly. And uske upar they ask like a pay-per-view or a rental free fee to watch Mulan. I don't even know what Disney is up to.
just Disney
Like they
thing
made
like their Apple
I
or something like Nobody cares
don't
about you anymore,
know.
Disney. Nobody is
Yeah,
gonna
exactly.
pay
You
for you.
you died after what? After Wizards of Waverly Place, Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. I think that was it. You died
Oh,
after that.
Disney Channel. Acha, that.
Hmm. Like every content it has produced after that is just ad content.
Honestly, like they have this Hulu thing, right? Hulu has
Hmm.
better content than Disney
Yeah.
content. Like Disney sucks
Yeah.
right now. Like they can't even off topic, but they had like a like cans. You know what? I'm not educated. I'm not going to say anything about that. I just go back to like Mulan.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, the thing I was talking about.
Muslims.
Yeah, I don't know if it's offensive or not the way we're saying it, but the thing is, I don't really know how to pronounce like. Okay, anyways, so basically, like in China, almost like 1.2 million, like, is it called Uyghur Muslims or Uyghur Muslims? It's Uighur. How do you pronounce it? Give me one second. Uyghur pronunciation.
I have no idea.
It's Uyghur Muslim. Uyghur. Anyways, so basically, I think a lot of people know, right, that in China, like just like the mainland China, there are like 1 point like over like a million Uyghur Muslims that are being detained right now, and they're being tortured and they're like in concentration camps, and the Communist Party has basically made it like their agenda to diminish their population, right? So one of the things I read while I was researching about Mulan, because the movie was pathetic and I was just trying to distract myself, I realized that the area, the district where they are detained, Mulan was filmed literally like in that same district, like few miles away from that district, and a lot of people just found it so pathetic how Disney. Honestly, I also find it pathetic that Disney could just, be fine with shooting a movie, the same place where you know, like these people are being tortured and killed and everything. So I just find it pathetic. Like, how did they even have the heart to do something like this? And the Disney, so Mulan basically also instigated Hong Kong pro democracy rights again. Like after people watched that, they like Hong Kong's there were like protests again in Hong Kong and everything. And the actress who played Mulan is actually a Chinese actress, right? She is a mainland Chinese actress, and she's somebody who stands in solidarity with Hong Kong police operate under the like Chinese company. Right? So they basically are very brutal to the protesters and everything. So this lady supported Hong Kong police who are like literally abusing civilians and everything. And after that, she got a lot of backlash and everything for saying that. This movie is very controversial because
Hmm.
while it stands for warrior and freedom and everything, this woman is somebody who, like the actress who plays Mulan's character, is somebody who doesn't really believe in the cause that Mulan stands for. So it's just really controversial, poor casting, really poor set. Because I can't even like it's so depressing to see that a few miles away people are literally being gassed
Yeah.
to death, and now a few miles like away from that you're like sitting in your vanity vans shooting like these mass sets and everything. It's just really depressing. I really don't know.
Because
Yeah,
imagine like people are being tormented at one place, and like then there's Disney producers sitting sipping margaritas and saying like, this is a marketing strategy we should use
yeah,
to make money.
yeah,
Like just four white people just probably clicking their beer cans, and there's like, that's
yeah.
what we should do. Like subscription के ऊपर पैसा लगाएंगे हम ये करेंगे.
Yeah, yeah, that's definitely going to work, And
Yeah.
then one person just like, wait, what's that screaming we all hear? Just like nothing,
I don't
just
know, man. Like
yeah, I don't
let's
know,
not.
man.
Let's
I
just
don't know,
ignore it.
let's just do this, dude.
Yeah.
Let's just do
They
that.
they probably even imagine communism present day to be like dictatorship, and they'll just be like, हम कुछ बोले तो हमें मार पड़ जाएगी, like whatever.
Yeah.
we'll be trapped over here. So let's like, I think that's why the set is also so gloomy and everything. There's just like, let's like wrap this up and fly back.
Yeah.
I miss McDonald's.
They didn't have the time to afford lights. They were like, no, we're not gonna do this.
It's
I
so
want to
gloomy.
get out
Like
of this.
I remember saying this for Merida as well. But like Merida, I still understand. Like it's animation. ठीक है मुझे still समझ में आ रहा है. And I know this sounds like a very first world problem and a very petty thing to say, but I just don't like the movie. It's so gloomy. I don't want to look at it. Like at least makes, because it's for viewer purpose, right? It's like visuals. Make the visuals appeasing. I don't know what's difficult about it. Like I
know.
wouldn't want to watch something that doesn't look good. Like no matter what the plot is, no matter what it is, why would I want to watch it?
Yeah, I think that's what Disney doesn't understand, because like it doesn't really matter if like your characters are, you know, just some like this fantasy world or something. It doesn't
Disney-
matter. It doesn't matter
Disney
at
did not
all.
care at all. Disney does
Yeah.
not care. They don't
Pixar
care.
does, and I'm so glad Pixar does, because if you look at Toy Story, literally toys, and I'm attached to them.
Yeah.
Can you imagine how
Shivangi,
good of an animation do you do?
Yeah. I think every kid's toy hoarding problem is because of Toy Story.
I know.
There's no other
I had a
reason.
toy hoarding problem because I didn't have toys. That's a whole different discussion. But I really imagine it's literally a damn robot, and you've just made it such a. They've given such independent characters to like Toy
Yeah,
Story.
and every character, every toy isn't just a toy. There's a character attached to it. Like Toy Story has better characters than Mulan. Like a 2020 film that's live action. How difficult could it be? You know, even if they ask the actors to just be themselves, they would still have unique characters, right?
Yeah.
Because every person has a unique character in general.
Even Zootopia, I think. Like I've seen like
yeah.
a few clips of it, but such good characterization, man. Such
Definitely.
good. I literally feel like I'm listening to a human talk. That I don't feel like that with any of the animation movies I've watched, and definitely not with Mulan.
Yeah.
I think Pixar is just too ahead of its. Pixar doing what it's doing. Like,
See, I think the difference is Pixar cares, okay? Pixar isn't living in an imaginary world where they think anything they produce will be accepted and appreciated just because it's fantasy. They don't
just
treat
because
kids
it's
like
Disney.
kids. Yeah, they don't treat kids like kids. What Disney thinks is we are making all of this for kids. तो बच्चों के साथ तो इन लोग इतना नहीं सोचने वाले, कुछ भी चल जाएगा. But they don't realize that there's like a whole mass that's going to watch. Like people who've grown up watching Disney are also going to watch this, and maybe to some extent they should like it as well, so that they show the kids. They're like बच्चे हैं कुछ नहीं. They don't realize that the parents have to give them money to watch it, right? Or they have to like
exactly. They really underestimate kids so much, man. I feel like, you know, those mothers who put like bangan in pizza and think that the child is not going to notice just because they coated it with like a lot of cheese. That's what Disney has become. They just think Disney hai, har bacche ka childhood hum hi banaye hai. So like we can't go wrong at all. I think that's their attitude. And Pixar was new, right? They don't have that attitude.
Disney has a very superior Pixar Disney has a superiority complex. They're just like we're the best, nobody can compete with us and all of that. That's what they're doing, because every movie they churn out is the live action of an old one, and they're just making it worse. That's all they're doing. Every live action is worse than its animation. So I don't see how Disney is going to work out. I don't see how it's going to like get better.
It's not like exactly, and like I think they'll have like no choice but to like invest in like, you know, like what they're doing with like Surat and everything, which they stopped in Bollywood. But I think like that's their only saving grace. Like invest in movies. You can't create movies. I think like I don't think Disney studio creation is ever going to exist ever.
Yeah.
Production,
but
that's
even if they're investing, like I feel like they need to invest in people. Like see, for example, if you take Mulan as an example, how difficult was it to get screenwriters who can write a good screenplay from an existing plot? The plot है तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ है, सब मतलब थाली में दे दिया है, तुम्हें बस उसको प्लेटिंग उसका करना है, उसका मतलब तुम्हें प्लेटर लगाकर वो बराबर करना है. That's all you
Yeah.
need to do. But no, that also they couldn't get like good screenwriters. Like Shivangi, we have done screenwriting for like 4, 5, 6 months. हमें भी बोल देते ना हम better screenplay लिख देते.
Yeah. I think Disney has become Salman Khan. They think that putting out rubbish like Radhe is also going to get
Yeah,
them views.
exactly. Yeah, I'm not kidding. That's what it is. They're like Salman Khan does the same thing. He's like, मेरा brand है Salman Khan. I'll just do this.
It's so great to see Bhai brand just being completely diminished.
Yeah.
Nobody cares about Bhai anymore. I never thought this day would come. Like I thought his brand was so big that it was never going to diminish. Because like my entire childhood, for 10, 12 years straight, Bhai has been Bhai. And now
Yeah.
Bhai is not Bhai anymore.
Yeah.
Bhai is a shitty actor now.
Bhai is uncle now.
Yeah. Bhai is Dadaji now. Like
Yeah.
he's just become boring.
Yeah, man. It just doesn't. It's just bakwas.
I hope that happens to Disney like very soon. They're already on that path. So
Yeah.
I think we said like a lot of things about Mulan, much more than like it deserved. But we just had so many pointers and like where it lacked, and it was a complete mess. Disney basically needs to better that. But yeah, that's the final thing. But so moving back to something that's been a classic pincher for practically every millennial or Gen Z person, which is like Princess Diaries. We've all like seen it, and I think Lavleen and I both saw it when we were like in our early 20s. So this is definitely like a long. We watched this after long gaps, and short and like yeah, it was just not worth it.
Yeah.
Not have watched it.
I think it's a good one-time watch. It's good to watch once. To
I think I glorified it too much.
Yeah, like it's a good one-time watch. I wouldn't say no. It's something you can lay back on a lazy Sunday afternoon and you want to watch it, or you want to do like a movie night with your friends. Then you can pick it up because you don't have to think about it, right? So you can just do that, eat popcorn, like, and dream about having a Princess Mia sleepover party.
Which is in the second movie.
Is it? It's not old. I thought it was in the first. Okay, second one is officially better than the first.
I know. I like it only because of Chris Pine. I think that's the character. Actor, I'm not sure.
I think it's an actor. Yeah. ठीक है. Anyway, to come back to the Princess Diaries, 1 and 2, Queen of Genovia, amazing. Like as we said, एक टाइम के लिए ठीक है, बार-बार देखने में तो दिमाग नहीं चलने वाला है. And I think diving deep and stating the obvious over here, we have a major problem with her transformation. I think we'll agree on that. Yeah. So we have a major problem with the transformation because it keeps telling a girl what a princess needs to be, what she needs to be like, and how she needs to look like, and how she needs to dress or walk or wave. So it's a real mess. It's a real mess, and it's discrimination against chashmish, curly hair people. Okay.
Yeah.
Like it just does not sit well with me that it's telling its viewers that this is what you're supposed to be. Everything that I think back then people were standing up against, I don't remember the year. Which year was it?
Princess Diaries. I have no idea. I haven't researched this time.
Oh yeah. We just woke up and we decided let's do this.
Yeah.
2001. So like it's a good year. It's a year we are born.
It's the best year, bro. Geniuses were born on this year. Exhibit A.
It's born on 29 July 2001.
Right here on your screen. These two beautiful angels on your screen were born on 2001.
In 2001. ग्राम मतलब अपने आप को ग्लोरीफाई करने में ही ग्रामर भूल गई.
Born on 2001 नहीं होता है.
नहीं,
Born
in
in होता है ना.
2000 in होता है ना. Born on क्या होता है? Born on the 17th of September, born on the 12th of November, वो ठीक है. Born in 2001 होगा ना.
यार मैं मेरी शक्ल देख के मतलब इतनी ओवरवेल्म हो गई कि मैं ग्रामर ही भूल गई यार. मेरी क्या गलती है? Not my
That's how a
fault.
girl should be. Care about your
Yeah.
looks more than your brains, okay?
Does it's got
Doesn't
to be.
matter.
I feel like yeah. So the thing about like you know how they keep telling that Mia has to change herself both physically and mentally. Like she's not just supposed to look conventionally pretty, but she's also supposed to like change the dislikes she has, interests she has, and everything, right? And the way she just interacts with people, like a full on revamp and stuff. And I understand they kind of save themselves at like the you know like at the mental makeover part at least, because at the end she walks in like and she gives like a speech where she talks about what she likes. She likes cats and she likes whatnot and like whatever Mia thing it is. I think they saved like themselves there. But the fact still remains that she didn't come in to give the speech in her curly hair and glasses, like with her eyebrows completely undone. She came looking prim and proper in a snug fit outfit. That did not look like she walked like came out like she like walked out in the monsoon or something like.
Yeah.
Even Anne Hathaway, she looked gorgeous in that outfit,
Yeah.
and I was just like, it's not fair for people to look like this.
Yeah.
And I was just
Exactly. The entire point that you want us to look a certain way does not sit well with us. Like,
no.
okay, I understand that you have a sort of moral, not even a moral responsibility. You have a responsibility towards your subjects, and people are see like this is her pulling a Disney. Okay, this is what we want a Disney to pull. Like people are going to look up to me, so you need to look a certain way. You need to be proper. You need to be appropriate. That's what we want Disney to do. That Disney is not doing what they're making Amelia Thermopolis do. It's Thermopolis, right? Yeah.
Thermopolis.
Yeah.
But
so the thing is that it's okay to an extent. You need to look appropriate, meaning you need to look neat. You need to look like you can't look like you've just woken up of bed. And I think that goes for anybody who exists, any normal human being, okay? But I don't think the whole revamp thing saying that you need to look pretty and you need to look, you can't have a breakdown or you can't do things like throw paintballs on a canvas. That all of that doesn't make sense to me. So it's also like the whole exploitation thing that the grandmother did, where she just took like a driver what the gear stick and she just coronated somebody somewhere.
yeah, that's so pathetic.
Yeah, like she just completely misused her power.
Yeah.
I really want to do that someday.
Honestly, I can't believe I used to like this scene once upon a time. I had like this entire scene memorized. I was like, I remember that she was going to say order of the rose and everything.
Right.
I just realized how dumb it is and like how. And I feel sad for like the police officers and like the bus driver, because then they're gonna go home and talk about how they got like ordained with this order of like this country and everything, just to realize it doesn't exist.
Right.
And it's kind of sad. They're gonna tell their children as well that your father is like got ordained and everything, but it doesn't like it's not true.
It's so sad. It's just so sad. But so complete misuse of power, unrealistic expectations. That's what Princess Diaries is all about. And also, the way her best friend is expected to like be okay with everything. Like she is acting weird. She is not who like your entire basis of friendship seems shattering, right?
Yeah.
It's like
it's
like Shivangi and I talking about privilege checks every week, every week of the month, and then one day, like, I just wake up and I talk to her with like a professional mic and headphones and two lights, and I sit here and I talk to her, and Shwangi is just like, what the hell happened to Lavleen? Of course she's going to be mad, right? That's not what we stand for. That's not what the basis is.
I think I hated Lily's character. Like I have a different thing. Like I think
Oh.
Lily's character. Yeah, I don't like. I remember I sided with her character when I watched it first because I was like, I mean, of course, I would be mad if my friend was hiding something from me.
Yeah.
But right now, I'm like, I don't care enough. But I also forget that when I was 16, I would care. Right now,
Yeah.
I wouldn't care. But like, I understand 15-year-olds doing that. But I really hated Lily's character because your friend's going through something huge and she keeps just trying to talk about like her like cable show and getting her on the cable show, and then she was so frustrated when she like didn't come for the cable show. I mean,
But it's
obviously,
her fault as well, right? Like, she chose a boy over her best friend's show that matters so much to her. Of course, like, Mia was going to her through her own thing with becoming queen or like becoming a princess and everything. She was going through all of that. But for what's her friend's name? Amy. What's her friend's
Lily, Lily,
Lily. Why are all best friends named Lily?
Hannah Montana,
Right. Like, why are all best friends named
Disney. They're all
Of
Disney.
course,
Disney has
of
an
course. Disney
obsession.
has zero originality. They're like samey, chalega. Yeah. So
Animation
Lily,
be same, naam be
yeah.
same, plot be
So
same, de denge.
right. So Lily, for her, probably this cable show meant so much that I'm not going to wake up someday and suddenly become princess. That's not happening to me. For me, it's work. For me, it's this cable show that I need to run. It needs to work a certain way so that I make a life for myself. That's what it is for Lily. So when she put her trust into Mia as her best friend to come on the show to make something out of it, like, the least Mia could do was act, you know, like, the least she could do was show up. Or the least she could do was coordinate well with people where she wanted to be. What were her priorities? Like,
I think Mia,
I think
for
it's
me
justified.
personally, I saw Mia and Lily's friendship as something that had already this established level of trust. So I felt that if
Yeah.
Mia is putting her off and like if Mia is spending more time with her grandma and everything, I think Lily and Mia have that kind of history. For Lily, like if I had a friend like that I knew like for all my
And
life and I
Lily's
knew like
problem wasn't that you're not spending enough time with me, right? It was
she
you're
was
acting
right. She
weird. You
was
suddenly show up all dressed up. What is wrong with
her
you? That it
idea,
was her
but then
concern.
she had a fight like on the basketball court as well, right? About you not coming, like you like
For the radio show.
uh, yeah, when she was no, this was like before she met that guy and everything. This was like when uh Mia was given that final ultimatum and everything. You know, I don't know if you have to choose like either princess or something like that. And she went to the terrace, and then Lily had
Hmm.
asked her, and Lily wouldn't even like talk about like her feelings or something. She would just constantly talk about like how she needs to come to her cable show and like how she thinks she should like just drop the entire princess act and everything. And for me, I felt
Yeah.
like Lily did not play the role of a good best friend. Like I,
Neither
she's
did
like
Mia.
fed
I
up with
think
dumb
their
people.
entire friendship was turning very toxic because they were very
Yeah,
focused
I
on
think I
their
never.
own individual things. Like, Mia really
Yeah,
cared about what her life is going through, and Lily was. I think Loki Lily also must have felt like shit. She's going to be a princess, and her life's going to be perfect. Mine isn't. So I need to like
yeah.
pull
I
up my
think that
socks. I
came
need to
out.
get my life straight, right?
I think that came out when Mia came to school with straight hair and everything. It just
Yeah.
came out in Lily's speech. She was just like,
Right.
you know, you look pathetic and everything.
Yeah.
I think
Right.
like both of these
But
people never
also,
really felt like
yeah.
a pair, you know, like that's what
Right.
happens with best friends. You always
Right.
see them like as something that complements the other. Whereas I felt these two were such independent
Right.
characters, and I really did not, and this is why like I really don't think they're good friends to each other at all. They're like, I mean, there's a difference between people you hang out with, that you've hung out with like your entire life, so you're used to hanging out with them, and then there are people who are friends who that I don't understand what you're going through, but they'll basically like not be so negative like Lily.
Yeah.
Lily's just straight up like just give up the princess thing. And I
Yeah.
was like, why? She's gonna get so much cash. Why are you encouraging her to do like the dumb thing?
Huh. Yeah,
And
that
all of
makes
this,
more
right?
sense.
So I didn't like Lily's character, and I think it's fair enough to say Mia's character wasn't like some Sati Savitri either. She
Yeah.
was incredibly flawed,
Yeah.
and these people were just two independent characters. So I felt very weird that they reconciled at the end, because I was just like, it would be so much better if they went into like the different parts. Because I can't imagine somebody like Lily still. I mean, Lily had that insecurity. She's always going to have being friends with the princess. Why would she like want to associate herself with such negativity where she's constantly going to feel insecure? So she's just 15. A 15-year-old is like barely making ends meet, and the other 15-year-old is running a country.
But again, they're
So like,
Americans. They probably don't care about like how much money is it.
right.
That's like a very Indian thing to say, ना कि यार
Yeah,
चलो
I
ठीक है मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगी पैसे तो मिल रहा है.
yeah.
That's
But
like
like
somebody who understands
exactly.
money.
I don't know why they like reconcile and everything. It would be so much better. It would be much honestly the Princess Diary is filled with like a very I hate to use the word, but like a very early wokeness. Like none of the plots are problematic as such, and then they have like a very feminist character end to like their characters as well, and they try like their best to patch up all of these problematic holes
But
in it.
I
So
I
with
don't
that,
feel
I thought Princess Diary was
I don't feel like
I
it was
thought
a
Princess Diary was
feminist
like
end to their characters, but I just feel like that's a normal thing an American would do, honestly. Like I feel like that's
I
the
like I don't know
privilege
if
of being a
feminist is the
white
right word.
woman. He,
I think yeah, I think but also like with Mia, when I say feminist, I meant more like how do I put it? Like, I didn't think the movie was a product of like a male gaze or anything.
yeah,
It was about Mia's life and like how Mia changed her life. So I felt it
right.
was way better than like other Disney movies, and I felt a little
That
more
makes sense.
realistic, of course, to a white viewer and everything. A little more realistic. So I think they could have like gambled with the ending of Lily and Mia realizing they're two different people in life. That
Hmm.
would have been nice as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was great. Yeah, yeah, that makes more sense. That does make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rather than
What else?
feminist was a poor choice, but yeah.
Hmm. But yeah, I think that was great. Like, I don't think it's as problematic, but it does have its issues somewhere.
Oh, it has its issues. I just
Remember
remembered
what?
what issue. Yeah, so I know I just said that Princess Diary is pretty much early book and everything, but I just realized that I don't know if this is like a valid thing or not, but I just realized that uh there was like this one issue like when they had like their first meal with like other Genovian leaders or like other near neighbors and everything, right? And she was eating ice cream and whatnot. And right beside, like, who is like the queen? Yeah, the queen, like, beside
Queen
her, there
of
was this,
Genovia.
yeah, the queen of Genovia. There was this Asian man sitting like right
Yeah, yeah.
next to her, right? And who was very grumpy. So I felt that this was low-key a typecast because like typecasts are usually like basically Varun Dhawan is a typecast, like you just give him a like you just keep getting like these roles and roles depending on how you look and how you act and everything, right? So I felt that Japanese man being grumpy was a I'm sorry, that Asian man being grumpy was a typecast because I they're like their slanted eyes are like known for being like very cold and for having like very closed off expressions, and I felt like they could have like done that role with like any other ethnicity as well, but they chose like Asian ethnicity, and I felt that was low-key racist. uh that was like yeah, that's uh about all I had. That was I think it was typecast and it was very racist. And I didn't get it. Like I really think that did nothing for me. That so yeah. I don't know if it's like valid or not. So go with that information, whatever you may.
Possibly, could be. I think all Disney does is have diversity hires. So they're like, okay, all white people, we need somebody so that we're not called racist.
Yeah.
And then they make a racist move by typecasting them or making them very stereotypically fit or making them very dumb.
Yeah.
So that's what racist does. That's what Disney does. Racism. Okay, cool. What else about Princess Diaries? I think that's all I have.
Same. Like I literally hated the movie so much. I can't believe I liked it once upon a time. So I don't really have
It's a
anything. I
feel
just
good movie. That's what it is. So it's justified if you liked it.
mean, yeah, like it's fine, but like I really think so much better rom-com movies that I should have glorified instead of Princess
It's a
Diaries.
Disney movie, na?
I don't think there's a single Disney movie I like. Except Toy
You like
Toy Story doesn't.
Frozen, right?
Oh yeah, I love Frozen. I don't know. I'm pretty sure like Disney did not like make that. I'm sure like they just like took the
Stole it from
credits.
somebody, right?
Yeah, I'm sure like yeah, they must have gotten it from like some minority
I was also
creator or
very
something.
surprised that Disney made that because I felt like there's no
Yeah,
way Elsa does not
it's
have a love
so
interest.
good. It's
No
so
way.
correct, It's
Because
so correct everywhere.
even Moana, like she low key, people. It's not her love interest, but people would relate her to Maui, right? His name is Maui, right? Dwayne Johnson's character. His name is Maui. Whatever.
Oh, you're welcome, Bala guy, right?
Yeah. You're welcome, Wala guy.
I love that song.
I love that song as well. But like, they would at least
Yeah.
relate them, even if it's like not a given love interest or whatever. But Elsa, like Frozen, मतलब है ही नहीं उसके पास कोई भी. So it's so great. Like
They don't even
so
hint.
great.
They don't even hint. It's so
Yeah.
fabulous.
There's like no guy. There's no existing guy at all. Like कोई
I love
है
it.
ही नहीं. It's amazing. So that's why it was very hard for me to believe that it's like a Disney movie.
I'm sure it's not nothing. I'm sure that they must have, held one of those writing competitions or something like that. They must have got a good story and just stole it, changed the name,
I
and they're like,
probably
yeah,
looked it up on. They found it on Wattpad.
yeah,
I wouldn't be
Wattpad,
surprised.
yeah, it's very, very, very possible. I cannot believe this thing came out of the same production
I
house
wouldn't
as
be surprised.
Mulan.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if Disney picked it up from Wattpad and killed the original writer.
Yeah, definitely. Or made him homeless or some made him or
Yeah,
her or
made him
made
or
them
her.
homeless.
Yeah, make them homeless. Make sure they're homeless, and then hire them to play Mickey Mouse to dress up as Mickey Mouse in one of their Disney parks.
Yeah, very much possible.
Yeah.
I cannot believe they have brain cells. I am so sorry.
Yeah.
Frozen is
Cool.
flawless. There's every character is amazing. Like the
You don't like
entire thing
Anna?
they have with rocks as well.
Love at first sight, Anna.
See, I love the donkey guy. So I
The
was like,
what
it's
guy?
fine. The donkey guy. I don't know what his name is. Christoph.
Yeah, he doesn't have a donkey. He has a
He has a
reindeer,
donkey,
right?
right?
No, he doesn't have a donkey.
It's not a donkey.
It's not a reindeer. Sven क्या है यार? Sven is which animal? Let me look up. Which animal is Sven? Sven is.
Oh, it's a reindeer.
It's a reindeer, right? मैं correct बोली मैं तुम्हें reindeer, but it doesn't look like the typecast reindeer. So I was like,
Yeah,
is
it's
it a reindeer?
I really thought it's a donkey, but yeah. So anyways,
How?
Christoph.
It has like
Yeah, the donkey. Don't like. I don't know, man. I literally just thought donkey.
which donkey has like antlers? Like what donkey? What education is this, buddy?
I don't know, man. And literally, I have zero idea. Like, I she thought all this time that Sven was a donkey. I'm not kidding. I don't know. I don't know if I'm confusing Frozen with like another Disney movie where there's a donkey or like
Shrek.
not. But like because animals look the same and everything. Yeah.
Animals look the same. Wow.
Like
Shrek has a
the Disney
donkey.
characters look the same. The animals.
Shrek has a donkey.
Who has a donkey?
Shrek.
I've never seen Shrek, but I've seen clips, so it's probably that. Yeah. Anyways, he has
Shrek is
a reindeer.
iconic, and Ogre or whatever that huge Hulk green thing is falls in love
I
with the
know.
princess, and the princess gives up her beauty and marries him. Like, क्या iconic है वो? And she's like,
मैं क्या
oh,
करूँ भाई?
Shrek.
मैं क्या करूँ?
Okay, cool. Let's move to Khoobsurat. A movie surprisingly
My
both of us.
favorite movie. I love it.
It's so
I think
surprising.
you know what, Devlin? I think I know there's like a teensy bit that like we didn't like, obviously, and I think the entire origin of like that teensy bit we didn't like is Sonam Kapoor. So if we just remove Sonam Kapoor and we just put some other character like Anushka Sharma or something because she's like the most Delhi girl I can think of, and Millie is from Delhi. So if we just put her there and we like give her this character, this movie is flawless.
What's the deal
First of
with
all,
her calling her mom by her name?
even I don't understand. They never
Like a
explain it.
lot of movies do this thing where they'll allow like the main character to call their mom by their name or like a nickname or something. So if their name is, I don't know, Shivangi, so they'll just call her Vangi. Oh wait, Vangi means brinjal, but okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
I
like
know.
they call the mom by a nickname or their name, and it's like so weird. I'm so weirded out by that. Like,
I
how?
thought she was like a stepmother, her stepmother or something, but then she said Ma hai maybe. It's
Yeah,
just like, okay.
calls her
Also,
by.
can I just say something about Millie's character? I really
Okay.
think her character is so revolutionary because like you rarely get characters like her character just breaks binaries, of what it means to be a woman. You rarely get characters like that in Bollywood. Like you have like this one side of Millie that's so not what a conventional woman, what a conventional attractive
Hmm.
woman is supposed to act like. Like
Yeah.
she wears whatever she wants and she puts her leg like wherever she wants. She sits like and what people like would call like an uncivilized person. She just completely does everything to her heart's content. And she's so different from how women are portrayed on the screen.
Hmm.
And on this other side, you have of her that is, as much as I hate to use the term, still in touch with like her feminine side, like which color is going to look on good on like your nails or like what how your hair is going to look like. So she's such a great character because she basically tells Bollywood and the audience that women don't have to be like categories. They can be all in one. And Millie is such a good character. I was just in love with the character.
Yeah.
It was flawless, and I hate the fact that Sonam Kapoor portrayed it. It's
Yeah.
such a revolutionary step in
Yeah.
Bollywood to have a
Exactly.
character like
I think it was great how she was like, I can do what I want to, right? And when she's told to dress up and the colors she wears or like how loud it is, like what's supposed to be
yeah,
loud. Like if there was a whole era and there still is where women are typecasted as loud. So like वो बहुत loud है.
yeah,
So it has this entire image of the colors they wear or like the way they talk or
yeah,
like the kind of lingo they use or the things they do. So it's like, so she is supposed to be a woman wearing those bright colors. Like she's getting dressed for an event or she's getting dressed to go somewhere. She's supposed to be important. And instead of wearing something that's teensy tiny or something that's, that makes her look better, she's like, this is comfortable. I love this. I'm going to wear it. But
yeah,
I really hated how they also showed her as a dumb character.
yeah.
Like I wish if she wasn't, because she is a
Yeah,
physiotherapist, okay? She's a
yeah,
physiotherapist who has her own brain, who knows how to think, who's taking her own decisions, earning her own
yeah,
money, and finding out all these ways to treat her patients, which is not like
yeah.
a typical person would do. And then they show how easily she gets kidnapped, and then she needs to be
Also, the
rescued.
way she speaks to royalty. Which
Yeah,
idiot would ever do that?
right,
Like
exactly. Like,
she's such a good character, such a good
hmm,
attempt at
yeah.
representing what women
Hmm.
really are.
But I feel like
Such a good.
if those dumb elements weren't added, then she would become a bland and very, she'd be like the ideal character, right? She would be a revolutionary character. And that's not what the plot needed. The plot needed somebody who could also be a little clumsy.
What happened? I heard something there. Okay, I heard like a beep, and I thought तुम्हारा mute हो गई हो.
No, I'm right here. But,
Yeah,
and also the scene where she sits on the throne, I was like, throne क्या ऐसे ही मतलब खुले में छोड़ देता है क्या ये लोग कि बस
yeah.
बैठ गई वो, just didn't make
I
sense to
know
me.
it was a little too much at times,
Yeah,
but I really think if we didn't have that, she would be a much more. For me personally, I would have liked her without the dumb elements, and I don't
right.
think her character would have been like bland. I think it would have been much more interesting to see, like that slow burn thing people talk about, like you like go from just not caring about like how particular family is to like then realizing slowly what's
Yeah.
going on, and then she
Hmm.
like gets along with like
Yeah.
Vikram and everything. I think that could have worked with like her characterization. But I also think this dumb element they added also now. I think it's again an attempt to show that women can be anything. They can be a
Yeah.
bimbo, they can be like smart, they can
Hmm.
be girly, and they can be like
Yeah.
uh not girly and at the same
Right.
time. So I
Right.
think
It was
they
great.
made their
It
point.
was it
They
it
made
like
their
broke
point.
everything. I
Yeah,
love how she's not shown to change over a period of time, become more like royalty, staying with them, and then he
yeah,
starts liking her.
yeah.
He likes her just the way she is, and he realizes that this is so stupid. She's like, "ये लड़की, what does he call her? आफत है.
Afat.
ये लड़की आफत है, but I like this आफत, and I love that.
Yeah,
This I don't know why this is appeasing to me, but I just love that he's like, I like her for who she is. I like her for like whatever it is. She's not gone from being a Delhi girl to being royalty. She's
yeah.
a Delhi
She
girl.
didn't change at
Yeah,
all.
I love that. Love it.
It's
I
just
love it.
it's just such a good thing, man. And
I
if you
hate
compare this with like Aisha, if you compare this with like how Aisha ended, Aisha
why
means
are
she
you
was
why are
this
you
is Sonam
even
Kapoor. Sonam Kapoor. I have to do this. I have to. Yeah,
yeah,
so
go
like in
on.
Aisha, you see she's a bimbo and a diva, and like honestly, every like derogatory term there is for like a woman, she's all of that. And then at the end, she's changed. No, but basically, what I wanted to say was, oh wow, I just realized Sonam Kapoor never changes in a movie.
Yeah, yeah.
What the
That's why I
hell?
was like,
Wow,
right.
wow, Sonam Kapoor is. Oh my god, she chooses movies where she doesn't change.
Yeah. She's like,
So
I
she's like
can't.
acting बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Yeah, exactly. She's like, ये नहीं कर सकती मैं यार, ये तो अब स्मार्ट है, अब बिम्बो है, इसमें तो मुझे एक्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी. I can't do that. Yeah, I was saying what
Can't
I
afford that.
hate about it is how he keeps objectifying her legs. Like, you can't wear this, or he's just like,
I think
don't
that's
look
just
at her legs.
attraction.
It's so annoying. What attraction is this? Do normal people do this too? Am I?
I think they do. Like, I mean, this is such a terrible thing to like ask you because you have like absolutely no idea. But if like somebody, yeah, like, you can't even relate to all of this. No wonder you find it like so disgusting.
Yeah,
But
I
it's
was
like
just
a
like,
normal
what
thing. It's
the
like something that
hell?
would go in my head as well. Like if somebody is like, let's say, working out in front of me, like a boy is working out in front of me. Of course, I'm going to constantly like, go crazy about where do I keep my eyes. Because I don't want to be disrespectful. But also like normal
Yeah,
thing,
so
right? It's
like,
just attraction.
don't be disrespectful. Why would you stare at somebody working out? Wow, this is like such a foreign thing for me. It's just so
Yeah,
weird.
it is foreign for you. You're like, you're literally so disgusted by this entire idea. You're like,
Yeah,
this is so offensive, but this is so
yeah,
normal. I mean, I think normal is a wrong term to use because like it doesn't really make you not normal, but it's just common. I would rather say what
okay.
people commonly do.
Yeah, I didn't
You are like a
think.
biradari,
Yeah, like
whatever
I
you
didn't think that's what that's something normally people do. Like look at people and be like, I would rather that and like tell them you need to clothe up because like it's a problem for me. And then like he's like, oh my god, her legs are so crazy, I can't look at her legs. Like I didn't know of people like actively thinking that. Okay, wow.
Yeah, dude, I would get so distracted. Like if Awad Khan was like wearing like boxers or something in front of me, like I would have the same thought process in his head, like except he would be Sonam Kapoor. But in I don't know how to explain it, but it's
Yeah.
like I can see it happening. It's not strange or bizarre or anything for me. So I think it's a pretty common reaction. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, let me just please continue while I let myself sink, let that information sink into me.
Exactly, it does. Uh, but yeah, I think Fawad Khan, I've never understood the appeal of Fawad Khan,
Wait, if
honestly.
it
Like,
once again, like before I forget this, if that's like something that normal people go through, normal people like people commonly go through because
for
it's bizarre for
yeah,
me. So I'm like, this is not normal. This is not what normal people do.
yeah,
That's bizarre for me, right? So I'm like,
I
if
think,
that's something commonly people go through, then it's amazing that they've actually vocalized something like that happening to Fawad Khan, right? Then it's an amazing
but
thing to show that this is how people feel and it's okay to feel that way.
yeah, I mean, it kissed Ranbir. I think, I think Disney did like a good
Yeah,
depiction,
yeah,
of representing
right,
how young adult relationships are.
right,
Because it does
right,
start from attraction, and that's what like none of these movies get right. Like, it's not just
right.
uske gore gore gaal, uske like kali kali nazare or whatever. Like it's not about that. Like
Yeah,
it's all of that.
yeah. So
So
I
yeah,
think that makes
it
so much
got it
sense.
right.
Right.
Yeah, I think
This is a
Bhushan is such
revolutionary
a
movie.
gem. Yeah, it really does nothing wrong. It literally does nothing wrong. First of all,
Also,
it has a
the
spectacular cast.
yeah. Also the when she meets Suraj Mansingh, remember
Okay,
Suraj
yeah,
Mansingh?
they had to buy the building.
या बिल्डिंग मतलब महल को ये बिल्डिंग बोलती है क्या
Sorry, they
yeah
had to
so
buy that
when they
building. Yeah.
yeah so when they're buying that and Suraj Mansingh is clearly like hitting on her, I was like yeah like it broke that entire thing of bade log chote log and izzat karna and all of that Bollywood keeps doing
Yeah,
over and over again. It broke that as well. It broke the whole
yeah.
thing, whatever it is. Was like,
It
yeah,
broke so
pedophilia
many things.
exists.
Like Sonam Kapoor knew she's pretty. Like you never see that in a female character. You
Yeah,
never see a female character admit first that she's
right.
pretty. You always have like
Hmm.
the male character saying it and then the female
Yeah.
character
And
wondering,
she'll be like,
like with
wow.
tears in her eyes,
And
is
then
this
she'll be like,
legitimate? And everything. And then
yeah,
like that's like the seal for like the relationship.
right.
Next thing you know, she's like in the bed with him because
Yeah.
apparently being validated is all it
So she's
takes to
getting
be
married
like,
to him, not even in bed with him. She's getting
yeah.
married to him.
Yeah. So it's so revolutionary because Sonam
Yeah.
Kapoor is so confident. Like
Also,
I,
yeah, I
you know,
loved how the daughter of the family, she was like, I
Divya.
need to make boundaries, but I know my responsibility. I'm not going to run away to do all of that.
Yeah.
I will be vocal about it. And yeah, I need to take a huge step of running away for a while so that people understand it. But no, I'm still going to, make some sense out of it and come back and make a life for myself. Because I know
Yeah.
I belong to a family with responsibilities. I love how
Yeah.
all
Like,
of them have backstories. I love all of that.
yeah, I really like, I completely agree with what you said about like Divya. I think like it's really important to know like people have like childish whims and they have like, these ideas that these things they want to explore that they think is like so great and like, it's their life is unjust and everything when they're young. And I feel like they captured that in Divya perfectly. But they also showed that some people cannot like, while these whims like maybe like her wishes they're not exactly what she needs in her life, so she takes a step back and prioritizes her family right now. I think that was epic. Like, honestly, I cannot believe such a flawless movie flopped only because
Yeah,
of Sonam Kapoor.
Sonam Kapoor.
Like, I hate you,
Like
Anil Kapoor.
Sonam Kapoor single-handedly makes sure that
Yeah,
Khoobsurat doesn't work.
like
It's a great movie.
it's
Also like how they have backstories, like the man who she is going to treat, her patient. Okay, not he's not being stubborn just cause, or he's
yeah.
not stubborn because he's royalty. He has a backstory, and when that was revealed, I was like, wow. I was actually mind blown. I was like, I
Yeah.
love this so much.
Yeah, because then you realize like it's not him being just like throwing a tantrum. It's him feeling guilt
Yeah,
that why
yeah,
do I deserve to like walk here if my own son cannot anymore? And it honestly, and what I really love about what's really realistic about Khoobsurat is that it shows that your mentality or like whatever your toxic habits and thoughts and everything are, they don't just change because somebody gives like a pep talk. It just
yeah,
happens. Like one day you just wake up and one day you just want to walk again. And I love how they portrayed that it's not gradual, it's not one big loop as well. It just happens suddenly. One day you don't
right,
want to feel like that how you felt like yesterday. And
right.
it's so valid, it's so realistic because that's how change happens. You don't even realize you've changed. And
Yeah,
just like even Khoobsurat, Sonam Kapoor never gave a pep talk, right, about the son and everything. I think she briefly mentioned, but she never said ki, he also wants you. And they never mentioned the dead son after the conversation in the
yeah.
kitchen
After
ever.
once, she was like once, and that's it.
Yeah.
And I
And
love
I
how it
love
shows the entire family being impacted by it. Not just the two
yeah.
people. Otherwise, what Bollywood tends to do is everybody else is going on about with their lives, and there's this one person dwelling on it, and everybody is invested in making that one person dwelling on it happy. But the entire family was like, we have to ignore this. The son is like, I'll involve myself in business because that's important right now, because
Yeah.
paise and all of that. And I love how it also showed like he wasn't just a prince who was living off ancestral money. He was involved in business and he was doing all of that because he knows that
Yeah.
I can't just keep living off on what already exists. I need to make something new as well. I love that. I
Yeah.
love how the mother has her own things and how she's taking care of her own things, and but she's not just a mother. She she understands certain things, she lets go of certain things, she has her own personality, she has her own quirks, she has her own thing, she's not involved in only being a mother, and I love that.
Yeah. And I loved how none of them were, outraged at Millie and like Vikram choosing to marry Millie.
Yeah,
Like how typical mother would be like, you guys are like from two different classes and
hmm.
everything, you guys can't mingle at all. Like they didn't do any of
Yeah,
that. They've realized that life is much more than just,
yeah,
mingling with royalty itself. Like
Right.
sometimes you
And
need somebody like a Dilli wali girlfriend to make
yeah.
things better. Like that's who
And
Sonam Kapoor
yeah,
was.
and Manju as well. I love that the entire movie wasn't living in an alternate universe where everything is great. I love how
Yeah,
Manju was so focused on getting her girl married. I love
yeah,
that she was a typical mother who wanted only good for her daughter. Who
yeah,
was a typical mother who knew that मेरी बेटी की शादी की उम्र हो गई है and I need to get her married. And I
yeah,
love that when she fought with royalty for her daughter, she's like, I'm not going to let my daughter get humiliated. So it
yeah.
wasn't just a movie that was all woke and that was all everything's going great and everybody is being portrayed well. It also showed reality because women like that exist too. So I
Yeah.
love how it broke everything and it was like sabko le aayege. Like Disney really did well here. Okay.
Honestly,
Like,
whoever is handling Disney Bollywood, you guys are doing so
yeah.
great. I'm so mad that after this thing, you know what? I've never watched ABCD 2, but after watching Surat, I'm pretty sure that might have slapped as well. Because, like, Disney really promised itself. Because Roadside Romeo, epic.
Yeah.
Khubsurat, epic.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that dance movie would have been like great as well. Because I think Disney doing great. It's
I
dead
think
there.
I think it's doing very great in terms of what's that called? In terms of
Talent acquisition.
yeah, but also plots for Disney India because they are not able to Americanize it as much, but they are leaving the some part of the American values in it because that's what for Indians is breaking boundaries. Like finding a girl
Yeah,
that's not conforming to one of the binaries, finding a girl like that and portraying her just like that, yet somehow and having parents not care about like for Indians it's like breaking boundaries, but for them it's just like ye hota hai. So I feel like
I
they're
think even
still
for
American but
Americans,
Disney
it
India.
would still be breaking boundaries because, like, what I don't think there's any female character they had in like the movies that acts like this, right? Like, I don't think
Yes,
there's a single character that similar to
that's not
Millie
feminine.
Chakravarti. And yeah, like, I mean, Millie Chakravarti is like literally every category of I mean, Millie Chakravarti exercises as
You
well
can you can relate
without being like,
to
fitness girl and everything. She's such
right.
a woman.
Yeah, you can relate to Millie as well, right?
But I think yeah, Khubsurat all characters are great. I think the only problem I had with Khubsurat was like such a minor problem I have with this. Like honestly, it's like it doesn't even like have a dialogue. It doesn't even get mentioned for like more than 5 seconds. So basically, like when they're at the dinner table, and like after she's physiotherapizing those cricketers in the first scene, and like those like I think her brother asks, like, do you have like a boyfriend or something? And it's a minor thing, but she says that I don't, and then he asks, so do you like girls or something? And then like the two women on the in the table start like like slapping him or something. I think that's the only part Disney lacked at when it comes to Khubsurat because they had so much good things
But
going
it's
on,
also
and
the
then
era where it's Disney India.
it is also 2014, right? Like
Oh,
that's so well ahead of the times.
yeah.
Pretty sure we had like first Pride, not first Pride, like
I
Pride
also
Parade.
was like, it's so great because I remember over there she just said, I don't like boys. And I was like, wow. I felt like that was such a great moment. But then she goes on to like a boy and do all things. So
But
you're a need.
whatever, like I yeah, so like whatever, but I feel like it's still
Yeah,
like
it is a problem. It definitely is. It's something
there's a
I didn't
problem.
notice, but yeah,
That's the only problem I have with Pulsar. Honestly, it's just perfect.
it's
I
so
really cannot
weird.
like
Like it's like a Sonam Kapoor movie that we like.
yeah, I know. I cannot believe he chose such a great movie.
Yeah, We were
But yeah,
almost reluctant to do Khoobsurat. We were like, can't watch this.
yeah, because I was like, because the songs and everything, I had no idea it was about royalty. Like she's going like party, to bhi shuru hui hai and
Yeah.
everything, all that. So I had like no idea this was. I thought this was just like a rich, like I thought this was like a Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania situation happening, except she doesn't do it for marriage. She just goes like, she's just living her solo life and whatever.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's so much more than that, and it's such a
Yeah.
good movie, and it just we can go on and on, but I think we've already like wasted so
Yeah.
much time talking.
Yeah, we've recorded it for so long. I'm just worried about the editing of this.
Last time it was 1 hour 20 minutes, and I had to
Yeah.
cut it down to 45 minutes because we do so much bakwas. Like Google which live action and everything came out in which year while it is recording. Like dumb idiots. So yeah. We started at it's been 2 hours. Okay, we really need to end this. It's literally 2 hours without any break. So yeah, honestly,
We had
this
a
is
lot
like-
to say this time. We did. It's surprising. We did a lot.
yeah.
Okay. So this is it. This is it, Shivangi. That's all
Yeah.
we have for Disney non-animated / live action / original movie.
So thank you for listening to Privilege Chef Podcast. If you like this episode, then please leave a review on Apple Podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube video if you are watching it on YouTube. If you're watching it on any other audio streaming platform, don't forget to like. You can't like over there. So don't forget to share it with somebody who you think might like what we're saying. Or somebody who you hate. Because why not? And don't forget to follow us on our socials. That's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter at PrivilegeCheck. That's PRIVILEGECHK. Our Twitter is really great. Please follow us. Here's to an enlightened life.